Where's your brother that you don't know?
I have no idea.
Was he involved in a fight?
I have no idea. I left minutes ago.
Okay. You weren't involved in the fight,
I
though?
was not involved in a fight, though.
So you or your brother got in a fight?
I was not in a fight.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Hey, hey! What's your name? Like that?
It's Officer Solis.
Good name.
It's Officer Solis. Against me.
What is it?
Officer Solis.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Guess what? I won't forget it. Because we'll see each other in court. You know that, right?
Yep.
Get on the ground! Yeah, keep doing it. You fucking
37 com taser deployed.
Hands on your back now!
Where's your brother that you don't know?
I have no idea.
Was he involved in a fight?
I have no idea. I left minutes ago.
Okay. You weren't involved in the fight,
I
though?
was not involved in a fight, though.
So you or your brother got in a fight,
I was not in a fight.
and obviously we have you urinating here, which,
Well, I know. I
mean, I don't want to sit here and write a
I'm
bunch of tickets.
69 years old. I had to pee.
No, and I get where you're coming from, and I don't want to sit
I
here
was not in a fight.
and I don't want to write a bunch of tickets.
I
but you're
did not.
clearly lying.
I was not in a fight.
But when I asked you if you know who Scott was, you said
That's
you don't.
my brother.
But originally you said you don't.
No, you never said Scott.
What did I say?
The first time you said Scott, I said, yeah, he's my brother.
Okay, well, I guess we're going to misremember that.
Okay, well, Scott's my brother, yeah. But I
And
was
you were
not
at
in
the
a
bar
fight.
with him.
Yeah, I was in bar, but I left before that happened.
Was there issues going on there?
There was arguments, and I got the hell out of there.
Because you didn't want to be involved.
No, I was not involved.
All right, I would expect a citation in the mail for urinating in public, so you're good to go.
I mean, okay, man. I mean, I'm like,
I know.
I know, okay. I'll pay the citation.
Yep, sorry. If you went to lied, we probably wouldn't be there. What's your 20?
It is 6 in front of half ask the other guy if you need that.
Hey, we gotta go. We're gonna go. 6 in Prentice. 6 in Prentice. Sir. Sir. Stop. 37 Tommy's running.
Stop! You're gonna get tased! Stop! Stop! You're gonna get tased! Taser! 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 Oh, you lay on your stomach! You
37 com taser deployed.
lay on your stomach! Lay on your stomach! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Stop! You taser! 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 Yeah, keep doing it! Ah! Hands on your back now! You 37 com, give me more units now! I'm just walking down the street! You ran from me! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Why? Because you're under arrest! Police department! From you! Sit on the ground! Knock the off! Wait! Stop it! Flip it. Flip him, no way. On your back, right now. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Springfield son.
Wow. Got him?
On August 3rd, 2024, Stevens Point police responded to a reported violent assault at a local bar. The suspect fled. Officers pursued. A taser was deployed. 3 legal frameworks govern this entire encounter. First, the foot pursuit. Under Illinois versus Wardlow, decided by the Supreme Court in 2000, unprovoked flight from officers who possess reasonable suspicion is itself a factor supporting seizure. Here, officers had more than reasonable suspicion. Witness accounts of a violent bar assault established probable cause before any force was applied. That distinction matters. Probable cause is a higher legal threshold, and it was met before the chase began. Second, the taser deployment. Graham versus Connor, 1989, sets the controlling standard. Force is evaluated on 3 factors: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or evading. On all 3 factors, this deployment is defensible. The underlying offense was a violent assault. The suspect turned toward the officer with clenched fists, a pre-attack indicator after a verbal taser warning was delivered. He was actively evading a lawful stop. Under Bryan versus McPherson, 9th Circuit, 2010, taser deployment is classified as a significant intermediate use of force requiring objective justification. The pre-deployment warning audibly delivered before each cycle satisfies Wisconsin use of force policy requirements.
God, you bunch of.
So this other hand.
Step it up! Let go of it! Good God! Good.
Trying to fight me.
Get us a hand, please. Get us a hand. You won't!
Cuff, cuff, cuff.
Cuff him now!
Give me light! Give me light!
All right. Got it? Right there, huh? Stacy, are you okay?
Yeah, push me.
All right.
I'm fine.
Back up real quick. Get a breather. You guys, let's replace these three. Yep.
I don't know whose body cam is that snitch, but I got one in my pocket.
All right. Let's get them into recovery. Get them on that side. 1, 2, 3. Got them.
Yeah, how are you?
Oh, I've been better.
Smart things to do, man. This was not on the list of things.
It is smart.
Are you injured?
Come on. Jesus Christ.
Answer the question.
You know this. Don't be a f***ing... Not f***ing injured. Come on. You just had to work a little bit harder, right?
That's a biohazard.
Look at me. Look at me.
Grab
You think this is hard?
Just so and
You think this is hard? You f***ing... This is f***ed up.
We got them now.
All of you.
That's what I heard too.
So like not just
stay right where you are.
Hey, no. Why would I do that? Stop. Why would I do that?
Who's got the rap?
Why would I do that? Why? Why would I do that? You motherfucker, so let me have that. You motherfucker right there.
Stop.
Look at that K motherfucker. Look at you two, all scared. Look at this motherfucker. All scared.
All right. You help him pull that out.
All fucking scared.
Sounds good.
Ramp whatever.
Yeah, I got this. You got it? Okay.
Third, the restraint phase. This is where the legal picture shifts. Once the suspect was handcuffed and prone, the acute threat was neutralized. But the legal obligations did not end there. They changed category. The suspect made a specific, repeated complaint that officers were applying pressure to his spine during hobble application. Estelle versus Gamble, 1976, holds that deliberate indifference to a serious medical need constitutes a constitutional violation under the 14th Amendment. The legal threshold is not negligence. It requires subjective awareness of a risk combined with conscious disregard. A specific, audible, repeated spinal complaint captured on camera makes the awareness element very difficult to contest. Wisconsin law enforcement standards require medical evaluation prior to transport for any subject who has received Taser deployment. This suspect also disclosed a pre-existing shoulder injury on camera. Neither complaint was visibly triaged at the scene. The hobble restraint is an authorized control device. However, Wisconsin Department of Justice Crisis Intervention Training cautions against prolonged prone restraint following a physical struggle due to positional asphyxia risk. The eventual wheelchair transition resolved that risk, but the gap between the complaint and the response is the window of legal exposure.
Throw the gloves on quick. We're going to do a wrap if you want to assist us with doing this. We're going to get probes out quick.
You got one in the hip
No
here.
understanding of what happened at the restaurant.
There's supposed to be 4. There's 2 taser pointers.
There's some wire up by his hair. Okay.
0 on me. There's like 10 of you. Continue on.
Oh, 410.
Keep looking.
Keep
Keep looking because there's something. There's something there. Keep
Okay,
looking.
where?
I know. There's something there. Find it. Find it. Keep looking. God, you guys have nothing to do. You have nothing to do but keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking. I threw meth everywhere. There's so much meth. Keep looking. Yeah, keep looking.
Right now we're trying to find things that are stuck in you.
Whatever. I don't give a f.
We're clear back here.
How many she
You
got?
guys are like weird as f.
Let's start getting his Legs then.
Yep.
Where's the leg restraint?
Should be underneath it right now, I think. Right there, sir.
Got him?
Yep.
Hey, stop resisting. Don't put my legs in anything. Don't put my legs in anything. What did I just say?
Right now, you don't have to
No, no,
Stop.
no, no,
Stop
no,
it, sir.
no, 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 no.
Stop.
Stop.
resisting.
No,
Stop.
no,
Your
no.
choice now is to stop.
No,
fighting us.
you are rejecting me and putting pressure on my spine. I'm telling you right now, I'm screaming, stop! You're putting pressure on my spine! Stop!
Stop.
You are stop! You're putting pressure on my spine.
I'm sorry.
Stop it!
Well, am I doing
I'm telling you, no, stop it! Stop!
Still with us, man?
You cunt! You cunt!
That is a yes.
Yes, please take that.
I'll have this for me.
I'll take a
Please
speed.
take that.
What's
As
up,
a
so?
yes.
I got this
All right.
bonus. What?
1, 2, 3.
All right, lift it up a little bit higher.
I don't think it's tight enough. Keep doing it tighter. Tighter you. The guy's tightening it. That's on film. You tighten it a little bit more. You. Do you hear me? That's you standing next to me. That's breathing heavy. That's a. Was it white?
I got that.
You can hear me?
No, I'm
Hey,
good.
can you tighten it any tighter?
No, I can't.
Yeah, oh, thank you.
You are so welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. You know what it is? You're a fucking cunt.
And which side you want to roll to when you get ready?
Tighten it tighter. Come on, tighten it tighter. Come on, be a fucking man. Why don't you tighten it? Why won't you tighten it? Come
We'll
on.
roll it towards your guys.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Through as best I can.
Come on. You right there. You right there. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Officer
Hey,
Solis.
hey. What's your name right
I said
there?
it's Officer Solis.
Fucking name.
It's Officer
I got
Solis.
nothing against me.
What is it?
Officer Solis.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Guess what? I won't forget it.
All right.
I won't
That's fine.
Any more of you? Any more of you in here? Any more of you for the bullshit? You guys are a complete joke. You guys are a complete joke. Do you know what's going to happen? You're going to let me go.
No, we're not.
Yeah, you're going to let me go.
You got that side?
Hey, they're going to let me go.
Yep.
All right.
Do you know that?
We're doing helmets.
Do you know that?
Oh, yeah, let's
After
throw
all
the helmet
this
on.
they're going to let me go. You know that? They'll let me go.
All right.
They will.
Who's car?
Mine's right
They'll let me go.
All right.
They'll let
1,
me go.
2, 3.
They'll let me go after all of this. I'm so glad.
Sam,
that you
going
can
on- oh, never
drive
mind.
me this way and do this. Because we'll see each other in court. You know that, right?
Yep.
On officer professionalism, both officers use profane and derogatory language toward a restrained subject throughout the custody phase. This does not constitute a Fourth Amendment violation in itself, but it creates compounding civil liability. Under Monell v. Department of Social Services, 1978, when multiple officers engage in the same pattern of misconduct, courts may infer a department custom or training failure sufficient to support municipal liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Individual officers are one risk, the department is another. Every statement made on a body cam is preserved as evidence. Every officer response to a restrained subject's verbal provocation becomes exhibit material. In the civil proceeding, the subject explicitly announced on camera he intended to pursue. The primary pursuit officer receives a C+. The foot pursuit was legally grounded. The taser warning and deployment were procedurally defensible. However, the failure to initiate medical triage, despite taser deployment, a spine complaint, and a shoulder disclosure, is a serious procedural gap with constitutional consequences. The sustained profane language throughout the custody phase serves no tactical function, violates professional standards, and creates preventable civil liability on a record that will be reviewed in any subsequent proceeding. Officer Sully receives a C. Identifying himself by name when legally asked was correct. His verbal conduct throughout the custody phase mirrors the primary officer's pattern, which is the problem. Multiple officers exhibiting the same conduct shifts the legal inference from individual failure to institutional failure. The suspect receives a C+. The original violent assault and subsequent flight are the proximate cause of every force application that followed. Active resistance post-taser extended the encounter and resulted in additional charges. However, the suspect's documented medical complaints are legally significant. His explicit demand for an officer's name by the book and his stated intention to seek legal remedies through the courts rather than through continued physical confrontation, are noted in his favor.
Yes, you will. You will. This is so stupid of you.
Right? It's so stupid of all of you to do this shit. So stupid. So stupid. There's no way to speed. You don't have to speed, right? We're getting there no matter what, right? Nowhere, don't need to speed. In a half an hour, they'll let me fucking go, which is sad. Which is sad with you. Which is sad. You fucking motherfucker just driving us around. Half an hour, I'll be out. Yeah, enjoy it. Just keep talking, because you're an ignorant motherfucker. They're just driving people around, and yes, you don't know shit. You've probably never even been to college or know what a college even stands for. It's unfortunate. You're keeping, put slander on the side of your mouth, right? What's the question, sir?
Oh, nothing. We're just waiting here for a second.
Hey, if you're good, I'm good.
Oh, I'm good. But
Yeah, but just don't let that one, because we're not good. Do you hear what I'm saying to you?
I hear what you're saying.
So you want to make it rough, or do you want to make it easy?
Well, right now
We're going to make it rough. But if that guy's not there, then we can make it easy. Because I can just dead. What do you want to do? How do you want to do it?
Well, we're gonna slide you onto the chair here, and I'm gonna work on it. Okay. All right, Scott. We're gonna pop up in this wheelchair. Okay.
Okay, got a bad shoulder, so none of you care. So yeah, but you and your minimum wage jobs, right? Because you're tricks, no matter what. Yeah, keep doing it. Yeah, keep willing it left, right.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Lessons learned. 1. A justified use of force and professional conduct are not mutually exclusive. Graham versus Connor governs the force decision. Estelle versus Gamble and Monell govern everything that follows. Both sets of standards apply simultaneously. 2. Post. Taser medical triage is not optional. It is a policy requirement with constitutional backing. Documenting triage on camera before transport closes the deliberate indifference argument at the threshold. 3. A restrained subject's verbal provocation is protected speech under Cohen versus California, 1971. Responding to it on camera extends the liability record with no tactical or legal return. Disengagement is the professional and legally correct response. 4. Specific medical complaints made during restraint trigger a duty of care regardless of how they are delivered. Tone does not determine whether a complaint is legally cognizable. Anger does not cancel a constitutional right to medical attention. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.